Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Food Tech Online. Today we are discuss the most important MCQs on topic food preservation, processing and packaging. It is a set number 8, set 1 to 7, link in description. So let's start. Which of the following technique is not a membrane processing? A. Reverse osmosis. B. Supercritical extraction. C. Ultrafiltration. D. Microfiltration. The answer is B. Supercritical extraction. Science of chemical reaction performed under an acoustic field is called as A. Cyanochemistry. B. Cyanography. C. Aerodynamic. D. Stereochemistry. The answer is A. Cyanochemistry. Bacterial show maximum resistance against heat during A. Logarithmic phase. B. Lag phase. C. Late lag phase. D. Decline phase. The answer is C. Late lag phase. Heat show maximum resistance against the heat during A. Clostridium botulinum. B. Bixoclamum phalum. C. Penicillium notatum. D. Aspergillus niger. The answer is B. Which of the following statement is correct? A. Mold are fairly resistant to dry heat. B. Cookies usually are more heat resistant than rods. C. Cell in high lipid content are harder to kill than those other cells. D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. The indicator microorganism in case of pasteurization of milk is A. Coxella butaneti. B. Listeria monocytogenes. C. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. D. Clostridium botulinum. The answer is A. Coxella burnetii. Preserving of food by canning is known as A. Pasteurization. B. Sterilization. C. Uppercliization. D. All of the above. The answer is C. Uppercliization. The indicator microorganism in case of pasteurization of milk is A. Coxella burnetii. B. Listeria monocytogenes. C. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. D. Clostridium botulinum. The answer is A. Coxella burnetii. Marting process is based on A. High temperature more than time. B. High temperature less time. C. Low temperature more time. D. Low temperature low time. The answer is A. High temperature more time. Tin can was patented by A. Nicholas Appleton. B. Peter Durant. C. Louis Pasteur. D. Alexander Fleming. The answer is B. Peter Durant. C. Enamels contain A. FES. B. ZNO. C. MGS. D. CA. The answer is B. ZNO. Dash are the coated onto the flat sheet of plate before the manufacture of cans to prevent or show discoloration or corrosion. A. Coating. B. Plastic. C. Enamels. D. Paints. The answer is C. Enamels. Dole process is example of A. Heat, cool, fill. B. Cold sterilization. C. Batch pasteurization. D. Flash canning. The answer is heat, cool, fill. Pasteurized packaged liquor or paste are packaged are called A. Barrow food. B. Aerosol. C. Acetone. D. Bar gas. The answer is aerosol. Nitrous oxide replaces some A. Bacteria. B. Algae. C. Fungi. D. All of the above. The answer is C. Fungi. The time of heating at temperature to cause 90% reduction in count of viable spore is called A. D value. B. F value. C. Z value. D. Lethal rate. The answer is A. D value. The degree of Fahrenheit required to reduce the thermal dead time tenfold is A. D value. B. F value. C. Z value. D. Lethal rate. The answer is C. Z value. The time in minute required to destroy the organism in specified media at 250 is A. D value. B. F value. C. Z value. D. Lethal rate. The answer is B. F value. F0 value is F value when Z is equal to A. 10. B. 12. C. 16. D. 18. The answer is D. 18. The lethal rate is a reciprocal of A. Z value. B. Thermal dead time. C. F value. D. Decimal reduction time. The answer is B. Thermal dead time. Simple glass tube method is used for calculation of A. Thermal dead time. B. F0 value. C. Z value. D. Decimal reduction time. The answer is A. Thermal dead time. The method used to determine the heat process is A. Graphical method. B. Formula method. C. Nomogram method. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Growth no growth method is A. A method of inoculation. B. A method for obtaining data and plotting TDT curve. C. A method for determining the heat process. D. None of the above. The answer is B. The method for obtaining data plotting TDT curve. Which of the following can be used for the preservation of bread and baked goods? A. Nitrites. B. Propionate. C. Benzoate. D. All of the above. The answer is B. Propionate. Benzoates can be used for the preservation of A. Bread. B. Jam. C. Meat. D. Eggs. The answer is B. Jam. For more video, link in description. For daily updates and study material, our Telegram, Instagram and LinkedIn page. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends. Thank you.